Leadership Academy is moving beyond what do you want to be and helping students ask what problem do I want to solve. With Leader in Me habits guiding us, students get real leadership opportunities every single day. At the heart of it all is the Launchpad, an exciting space built for the future of learning. It's filled with areas for hands-on STEM projects, creative problem solving, and innovation. Students can work together in teamwork zones where ideas grow and leaders are made. This is where learning becomes active and fun. The Launchpad is more than a classroom. It's a launchpad for life. We are a neighborhood school that offers on-grade level instruction for every learner. At Shumway, we lead and shine bright.